Okay guys, so we just changed the oil on this car, and now we have to reset the change oil light right there. If you guys want to watch the video on how to change the oil, I'm gonna leave it in the description. And then so basically now you have to put it on the on position like that. Don't turn the engine on. Okay, so make sure it's on, and then you guys will hold this until everything starts flashing. So you just wait. It's gonna be about 10 seconds, so everything starts flashing. You let it go, okay, and now you press it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then everything should be back to normal again. So that's how you change the oil life at 100%. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and follow me, like the video if you helped you, and I will see you in the next video.